Hey, thanks so much for checking out this video. Now, I'm going to keep this thing really quick. Now, I know you're watching this video because someone cared so much about your health and fitness that they shared it with you. So, I'll be hosting something called the Fitfam Initiative, and that is to create healthier families through exercise. Now, it's absolutely free, and it's going to be a 14-day long initiative. Now, let me tell you what is involved. We're going to be kicking off with a live meetup workout. Now, if you're there in person, come on down. If you're online, we're going to be streaming it to you. Thereafter, we're going to be continuing the bootcamp virtually. So, every day, morning first class, 5:30 a.m. to 6. Evening class, 6:30 to 7, and we'll continue this Monday down to Friday. On top of that, we're going to be helping you with the eating, a nutrition masterclass, and also we're going to give you a meal guide that you can use to get started, right? So we want to make sure that you get on. And the main thing is the Bulletproof Accountability to help you stay on track. So you'll be able to interact with families also on this challenge, and this way you'll be able to pull each other along. It's going to be fun, it's going to be exciting, it's going to be a way in which you can get your family back on track. You know, everybody's coming down with all sort of sickness, and this is one of the first steps we can do to get your family back on track. Like I said, it's absolutely free. So below this video, go ahead, follow the link, it will take you to the sign up page. And do me one favor, just like someone shared this with you, share this with another family, and let's make this thing blow up and get healthier together. Take care, and I'll see you in the Fitfam Initiative.